Hi everyone, welcome to the second section of this lesson. In this video we're going to look at how to mount and unmount volumes using system D with mount unit file. Alright, in the previous video we looked at the mount and auto mount parts. Alright, we also looked at what mount and auto mount is. Actually, I was able to show you the FSTab file and to let you know the file systems that the FSTab file is managing and the one that the FSTab file is not managing. Alright, so quick one, if you're going to be writing the RHCSA 8 exam or the Sudo Linux exam or the LFCS exam, you can just come to this website and click on the exam practice questions. Alright, at the end of every lesson there's always an exam practice question, or you just come here, you click on the RHCSA 8 exam practice questions. We have over 100 questions and we're going to be updating the website from time to time. Alright, so it's better you subscribe so that you won't be left unupdated. And I'm also going to be dropping the link to this website in the description section below so that you can easily navigate. Alright, so for example, to mount a volume or a disk, let me look for a disk that can be mounted on my system. So I have the STD to be free. Alright, and I want to mount this on the /technit mount point. So the first thing you need to do is to create a mount unit file in the directory etc systemd system. Alright, so it's best and recommended you always create your mount unit files in this directory. Alright, so I'm going to call this technit.mount. Alright, you can call it whatever name you want to call it, but make sure it has the .mount extension. Alright, okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to copy one of the unit files, the examples of one of the unit files we have, so that I can easily edit the file. I know there's one in user label systemd system temp.mount. Alright, so I can just copy this. This is what I need here to think is fine. Alright, so I can just paste it here and I can edit this file. So I don't need this. Oh, this is description, so I can just write here, I can write the description and say mounting with systemd. Okay, here I can delete this, I can also delete this. I don't need this, I don't need this, I don't need this, I don't need this as well, I don't need this as well. Okay, so what I want the dev std to be mounted where? On technit, that's the mount point. And what is the file system type? That is ext4. Alright, I don't need this as well, I don't need this as well. Install wanted by, so I'm using the multi-user.target, so I'm just going to edit this to be multi-user.target. Alright, so let's see, I think this is all we need. Yeah, this is fine. So we're just going to save this file. So now we can mount this volume. Alright, and you should also make sure that the unit file name, which is in our case the technit.mount, corresponds with the mount point /technit. Alright, so now let's let's start the service. So the service is started. Let's verify. Alright, so now let's see if the device is mounted. Okay, you can even see from here before we verify, you can see where technit what dev std, and if you do your df-h, you're going to see that the volume has been mounted on technit. Alright, So to make it persistent, you need to enable the service, which is systemctl enable technique.mount. All right. So this will make it persistent, and to make it not persistent, you can disable the service. All right. And to unmount the volume again, you just use the systemctl stop technique.mount. All right. And when you do df-h, you can see that the volume has been mounted. Okay. So in the next video, I'm going to show you how to mount and unmount volumes using systemd with the auto mount unit files. Alright, so thank you for watching. Please subscribe to this channel, and bye for now.